Welcome to this video. I'm finally back, my motherboard. I actually got a new one because they couldn't repair the motherboard I bought. So it's a new one, so now I'm back with a lovely video. So sit back, relax, grab some coffee, some snacks, some water, enjoy this time lapse of my new PC upgrade comes right here.
You see really quick, my friend calling me in JG Tech Boys natural building habitat of building species.
Really quick for anyone wondering where's the M.2, where's that installation? Me and my friend, we forgot to record it while we were building the PC, so this is what I got, and I'm so sorry if it is a little bit confusing. Welcome back from the time lapse. So what did I upgrade? If you're wondering what was those parts, I upgraded the CPU, RAM, and the motherboard, because the CPU needs a whole new motherboard. The motherboards only support a new RAM, so I had to upgrade all three. But I've totally fine with that. The M4 platform from Razer is not dead, but it's not supported. They will not give more CPU into that. They will go on to the M5 that I upgraded to. So I'm definitely future proving with this. great, but also just because I need a better CPU while I was streaming and everything else. So CPU card right here is the Ryzen 9 7900X. It's a 12 core, 24 threads. Base clock is 4.7, boost to 5.6 GHz. So it's a 7000 AM5 platform. It is top of the line, not top of the line. They have a 16 core too, but this is just a 12 core because I didn't think I would need 16 cores. I just went, you know what? I want a little bit of clock and a little bit overclockability and a little bit cooler CPU to just go for 12 core because I didn't want to pay that much more money for the 16 core. So I got for this 12 core bad boy. And with that comes a new motherboard because the CPU supports a new socket system, so you need a new motherboard. That is pins on the motherboard instead. This is the X670E from Asus Rogue Strix. It is not top of the line what they give, but it's the top of the line of the different board. You can get the different versions of the mid tier, low tier, high tier. And it's pretty good. It's white, that's why I also took it, because this is the only white motherboard they have beside mid tier. And I don't want to go mid tier because I know this platform is going to be supported for 3 more generations of CPU. So I rather want to have a high end to make it easy to support that too. So this was the motherboard. Well, now I also need new RAM. What is that? That is new Kingston Fury that supports the new Expo technology from AMD with the new M5. It's DDR5, of course, not DDR4, it's the new DDR5. It is 500-600 MHz speed, still 36, and it's a 2x16 GB kit, so 32 gigs in total. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, hope you enjoyed the time lapse and everything. I'm trying my best to put more work in, put more effort in. The quality is hopefully also better because I'm recording on a new CPU and editing. So if you like this video, subscribe, share, comment down below, welcome to bed. And again, thank you so much for watching, liking this video and giving all the love. And I'm gladly to be back now to put more video and better content out there to the tech channel. And that was also come hopefully new soon case upgrade that I will do to make a video on that and more news and stuff. So we're gonna sign for that, so also check the notification button so you are not missing any video out. Stay safe and healthy. JG Tech Boys out, and appreciate very much all of you supporting. Bye.